VIX, let's hit how high it got today, because that was a spike I think not a lot of people saw coming. We did have some unusual activity in the VIX, but my gosh, this was an incredible pop to the upside through 30. What did you think of this?
Yeah, I mean, well, the VIX opens up, and what does it open up? About 17% higher, right? Already it's pretty high, right? It's around 30 prior to that. And then, yeah, just falls down here pretty hard. And I think is actually trading in the red now. So that's a good thing for normal markets. And I think that's probably going to continue, to be entirely honest. I mean, you can look at a lot of different metrics, whether you're looking at the S&P being oversold on a certain basis, whether you're looking at where markets typically bottom right around the middle of March. Well, that's also, close to where we bottomed last year, whether you're looking at a whole lot of different breadth oversold indicators, your McClellan oversold indicator, or even just the presence of prices near the 200 MA, not just in the SPY, but in so many large stocks out there. The market usually moves in tandem. I think you've got a lot of reasons to look at some of these patient buyers and make an assumption that they're probably reaching into their pocket and making a bet. And oh, by the way, last thing I'll say, money market funds are now up to either 8.4 or 8.7 trillion. That I wouldn't expect to get dipped into quite yet, but I would say as we start to get closer to that period where Powell is out, we're about 66 days out from that. May 15th is the day. I made a countdown calendar for anyone wondering on the market outlook. As we start to get closer to that, and as we start to hear more from Warsh, I think you probably start to see people price in what's going to happen to rates, and I think that outlook is going to change from where it is right now.
Well, I would agree, and I can't wait. Famously, I guess all three of us, you and Pete and I, have said that this guy hasn't exactly covered himself in glory, Jay Powell, that is, nor have many of the other Fed governors who say that they are data-driven and then refuse to react to the data.